I have to learn English by myself, then teach my daughter.
You can learn with your daughter at the same time. As you are learning, teach her. Don't wait.
Thank you. Thank you for your advice.
Teach her what you know now and keep teaching her as you are learning.
But my pronunciation, my grammar are wrong most of
Show
the
her videos.
video. Oh, thank you.
A,
Okay.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
She have learned this song already.
Well, give her another song. Make it more
Okay.
difficult. It has to be centered around learning. I'm sure there's a lot of free material online for learning.
Yeah. We should protect their eyes.
I agree with you. I don't agree with this. Maybe it's better if they're farther away and there's a larger screen. Instead of being like this, they can play in the room and listen at the same time on the TV on the wall. However, you don't want to give them videos that's just about fun, but make it centered around actually learning something. And of course, limit how long they watch those things. Don't keep it on all day, just maybe a small amount of time. They need to listen to the right accent. They need to listen to the right pronunciation. So
Yeah.
listening is important.
Thank you for your advice. It's precious. I will follow your advice.